Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now by selecting the numeric column you want to test. You already prepared raw data, so copy it to a new sheet. Next, make sure blanks are removed and text numbers are converted to numeric types with value or paste special, because calculations fail on text. Once done, add a header if missing and sort if that helps visualization. This is not required, but it makes spotting wild values easier, and you will proceed immediately to calculate central tendency and spread. Now compute Q1 and Q3 with equals quartile. Inc. range 1 and equals quartile. Inc. range 3, because quartiles give you robust center and spread. Then calculate IQR as Q3 minus Q1 and derive lower and upper fences using 1. 5 times IQR, this identifies typical statistical outliers. Once you have fences, use a flag column with a formula like equals or cell lower fence, cell upper fence to mark outliers true or false. Finish by filtering the flag column to show only marked outliers, and inspect each row for data entry errors, legitimate extremes, or measurement issues before you delete or change anything. You can also use a z-score approach, cell minus mean divided by standard deviation, to catch different outlier types if needed. If things look off, make sure your selected range is correct, there are no hidden filters, and all values are numeric. Correcting those common problems usually fixes unexpected results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.